All right, I'm taking a little video here. What do you think about this mud in the rain thing?
Mud in the rain, Gina.
All right.
Okay.
Gina, get in.
Rolling the turd.
Call it out this side.
Oh, okay.
Oh, don't lose it. Kind of like a big burrito.
Yes, or I was using the turd analogy, but a burrito is a better analogy.
Yeah.
Where's the drop test?
Here we go.
All right.
Off my hand.
Here we go. Oh my God.
Oh, it's holding. Okay. You know, it's holding pretty well. Down a bit. I don't want this flame here for this stuff. It's going to burn it and cook it much too fast. So I'm happy with the little bits that I've got back there, but I don't want this big flame. So I'm gonna just take this and. All right. So what we're gonna do is, I think we're gonna divide it into two. And we're not really, it gets a little, we're not really kneading it so much anymore. We're just gonna divide it into two. And we're gonna shape it into a loaf. And it's gonna be a nice, on that way, because we want enough coals around it too, right?
Okay.
That's good.
Yes, dear.
He's good, isn't he?
Smiling is important, though. Unless you smile, it's
Yes.
you're not sincere.
Yeah.
There you
We
go.
will have to figure out something that's going to make that stop spinning, but we have a little time before we have to
Well, that was not what I was looking for, but
And it's funny how you find stuff you're not looking for, isn't it?